is sunset bells, also known as Black Flamingo, or scientifically, Chrysothemis Pulchella. It's a beautiful tropical flowering plant, prized for its vibrant orange-red blooms with yellow centers and its dark, textured foliage. Native to Central and South America, sunset bells thrive in warm, humid environments and are often grown as ornamental plants in gardens or pots. Their striking color combination makes them an eye-catching addition to any landscape. To care for sunset bells, provide them with bright, indirect sunlight. While they enjoy good light, direct afternoon sun can scorch their leaves. Place them in a spot with morning sunlight or filtered light if grown outdoors. The plant prefers well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Water them regularly to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Let the top layer of soil dry slightly between waterings to avoid root rot. Since sunset bells are tropical, they prefer warm temperatures above 15 degrees Celsius and high humidity. They are not frost tolerant, so if you're in a cooler region, consider growing them in pots that can be moved indoors during colder months.